Hi guys! It's me, Cristal, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell para sa future videos and tutorials ko. So marami nagtatanong sa past videos ko kung paano maging Shopee seller or kung paano maging live seller sa Shopee. Sis, paano po kung wala pang bank account? Paano po namin makukuha yung mga kinita namin? So guys, hindi nyo po marireceive yung kinita nyo sa Shopee unless meron kayong bank account na ilalagay sa shop nyo. That's why for today's video, tutulungan ko kayo kung paano magkaroon ng bank account in an easiest way. Through online lang siya and then wala kayong babayaran na initial fee or even the delivery charge. So this video is not only for the Shopee sellers but also especially sa mga online sellers kasi syempre yung mga transactions natin are through online and para din sa mga YouTubers na wala pang bank account. So before kasi pwede lang makuha yung sahod sa Western Union. But this year, kailangan na ng bank account kasi pinapadala na nila yung sahod through wire transfer sa mga bank account. And also, para din sa iba na gusto lang din magkaroon ng bank account, especially nga kasi mostly ng mga transactions natin are through online. So, if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. As you have seen sa ating title, mag-open tayo ng bank account through online using the Union Bank. So, let's get started. Just grab your phone. So, download lang muna natin yung Union Bank app. Ayan. So, open na natin yung Union Bank. So, click Open an Account. Then, click natin yung Savings Accounts with Debit Card. So, before we proceed, please be reminded that the online account opening is currently limited to Filipino citizens residing in the Philippines. So, click natin yung Continue. Then, click natin yung Personal Savings. Actually, this Savings Plus, so, pwede rin naman siya, pero may maintaining balance kasi siya na 25,000 pesos. And then, tong personal savings, especially nga para sa online business natin, kunwari papasok lang natin yung sahod doon, and then i-withdraw na rin natin. Ayun. So, mas maganda tong personal savings kasi zero maintaining balance, zero initial deposit. And for the fees naman, so, sabi ko kanina, wala tayong babayaran na initial fee. And pati yung delivery charge. Pagka-deliver ng car dito, so wala tayong babayaran. So, itong 350 pesos per year or 30 pesos per month. So, nakalagay dito sa baba, maintain 10,000 in your daily balance and we will waive the succeeding years too. So, magma-minus lang sila ng 350 pesos per year or 30 pesos per month if hindi nyo na-maintain yung 10,000 pesos. Ayan. So, click natin yung select. And so, one of the easiest bank account din na mag-open tayo is through Union Bank. So, ang need lang natin dito is valid ID. Ayan. So, ito yung mga valid ID na pwede. Passport, driver's license, SID, PRC ID, postal ID, and UMID ID. Click natin yung next. Ayan. So, may customer declaration dito. Kung gusto nyo na rin basahin yung terms and condition. Ayan. And then yung privacy. Then, click natin yung accept. Ayan. So, lagay natin yung email address natin. And then, yung mobile number. Yan. So, make sure na tama, unactive yung email address na ilalagay nyo and yung mobile number. Kasi, magsasend sila ng email dito and ng message. So, after natin ilagay yung OTP, so, may lalabas na sign up. Yan. So, fill up lang natin sila. So, create user ID, create password, nationality, Filipino, birthplace, status, mother's maiden name. Ayan, and then yung present address nyo. So, make sure na tama yung ilalagay natin na address kasi dito ipapadala yung card natin. Then, click natin yung next. Ayan. So, yung employment status. So, since may office work ako, so yun yung ilalagay ko. Yan. So, pwede rin yung business name nyo ilagay. Ayan. So, click natin yung next. Kunwari, personal savings. Ayan. So, estimated monthly transaction. Ayan. Kunwari, 50,000. And then, I certify I am not a US citizen. And so, select the type of document you want to scan. Yeah. So, what if wala kayong ID sa mga nabanggit sa taas? So, try natin i-click yung my ID is not listed above. So, ito yung lalabas. If the ID you wish to submit is not listed above, you may continue your application at any Union Bank branch or save your details and resume your application later once you have one of the ID listed above. Ayun. So, mas maganda of course kasi nga through online tayo kung may ID na kayo. But if not, pwede pa rin. Pero pupunta kayo mismo sa Union Bank branch nila. So, since may passport ako, baliktad. Ayun. So, since may passport ako, so yun yung gagamitin natin. Click natin yung allow. So, hinahanap ko kanina kung saan pinipindot. So, wala. Automatic lang yun. Pag place mo yung ID mo sa harap, so automatic mag-i-scan siya. Continue. Get ready for your video selfie. Ay, video pala. Please frame your face in the small oval. Please try again. No smiling daw. Ayan, upload successful na finally. Please sign on the line below. So, yung signature natin. 3 beses tayo magsasign. Ayan. So, and then, i-double check lang natin if tama yung mga linagay nating details. Ayan. So, sabi dito, a confirmation link will be sent to your email address. So, makaka-receive kayo nito. Congratulations! Your application for account opening has been successfully submitted. And we have sent an email to your email. Please access the link to verify your email address. And then, may mag-i-email sa inyo from Union Bank Online. And, ayan yung nakalagay. Thank you for opening an account with Union Bank. Then, click natin yung verify email. Ayan, so success, your account is now activated. And may marireceive kayong text message. Ayan, so nakalagay dito, you can now access your account across all your devices anytime, anywhere. And then may mag-i-email sa inyo ulit. Ayan, so open natin. And welcome to your new Union Bank account. And then scroll lang natin siya. So dito nyo makikita kung ano yung mga nakalagay sa online banking app. And then, click natin yung login. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa Union Bank app. Then, may marireceive kayong OTP. And then, ito yung mga makikita natin sa Union Bank app natin. Ayan, so try lang natin siyang i-scroll. Then, click natin yung orange sa taas, personal savings. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa account details. Then, click natin yung request for a physical card. Ayan, so lagay natin dito deliver to, then yung present address natin. So, again, make sure na tama yung present address na ilalagay natin kasi dito ipapadala yung physical card. Ayan, so click proceed. And then, sa baba, yung card fee. So, mamimili kayo if 350 pesos per year or 30 pesos per month yung makakaltas sa inyo pag hindi nyo na-maintain yung 10,000 pesos. So, nakalagay dito sa baba, maintain 10,000 pesos in your daily balance and we will waive the succeeding years too. So, ito rin yung binanggit ko kanina. Then, click natin yung next. And so, I agree to the Union Bank debit card terms and conditions. Then, click request for card. Ayan, so card request successful. So you have successfully requested for a physical debit card. And then please expect your card to be delivered to your indicated address in 5 to 10 banking days. And yun, so tapos na kayong mag-apply ng Union bank account nyo through online. O diba, super dali niya lang. And then marireceive nyo yung card nyo within 5 to 10 days. Papadala nila yun sa inyo through mail. So sa bahay nyo mismo. And again, wala kayong babayaran for the delivery charge. So that's it for today's video. Sana nakatulong ako, lalo na sa mga seller's dilemma ngayon. Yun yung una nating problema talaga, yung bank account. And then para din sa mga bagong YouTubers na wala pang bank account, and kahit sino, pwede magkaroon na ng bank account ngayon, especially kasi nga through online na yung mga payments natin. So, mas maganda na rin na kumuha tayo ng ating personal bank account. And if you have any questions, just comment it down below. And if you have any suggestions na gusto nyong gawin ko ng video, try natin. Ayan, so comment nyo na lang din sa baba. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up button. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga next videos ko. So that's it! Bye-bye!